Hi, my name is Olivier Martineau and I'm currently studying in accounting and management at Cégep of Thetford. Today, I'm gonna talk about this website, virtualwritingtutor.com. I will explain how it works and all its features. I will pass my text. The first feature is I can count my words. The website count, I have 18 words and one sentence. The average number of words per sentence is 18.2. If I add a sentence, like I am 19 years old, the website will detect I have now 2 sentences, more words, and the average number is 11. Secondly, if I want, I can check my spelling, I can check my grammar, I can check my vocabulary, and I can check my paraphrase. I can clear, I can use a dictionary, I can print, but what I want to do is check my spelling, grammar, and vocabulary. If I check my grammar, this website says to me that I should put a capital letter in my I. The name of a program should have capital letters too. And the name of a school and of a town. Now my text is good. I love this website because I can use it for my English essays, I can use it for my English homeworks. It's very cool and I love it. I'm reducing my errors and I can do a lot of things with this website. The best thing is I can check my grammar because I forget always my capital letters. I forget how to spell things. I want to have a dictionary with me. If I want a cat, look it up. I have a cat. Cat is a small animal with fur, 4 legs, a tail, and claws, and usually kept as a pet or for watching mice. It's very cool. All these feeders come in one website and I can use it for all my homeworks and I recommend it to you. Thanks for watching my screencast. Have a good day.